Hello everyone, here we are going to learn some of the general knowledge that are very important from examination point of view. Here, first one is where is Gharial and Crocodile Breeding Center located? And its answer is it is located in Chitwan National Park and Bardia National Park. Initially, it was established in Chitwan National Park in 1978 and then it was established in Bardia National Park. In the mid 1970s, Gharial, that is Givalis giganticus population was estimated to be at a low of about 300 in all of its range, near from global extinction. During that time, only 17 gharials were reported in the Kosi, Narayani, Rapti, Bavai, and Karnali rivers going through rapid decline due to their egg stolen by humans for food and medicine, their killing for skin used in fulfilling superstitious belief, over harvesting and poisoning of fish, death from entanglement in fishing nest, industrial pollution of river, construction of reservoir and dam in critical habitat, and encroachment of habitat by agricultural farms. So, Chitwan National Park and in Bardia National Park, Gharial and Crocodile Breeding Center were established. And the is where is Vulture Breeding Center located? Vulture Breeding Center is located in Kasara Chitwan. It was established in 2008 in response to the continuing decline of vulture populations. NTNC, that is National Trust for Nature Conservation, together with Bird Conservation Nepal, Bishan, helped the government to establish a vulture breeding center. And there is where is elephant breeding center located? And its answer is it is located in Megholi Chiton and it was established in 2044 BS. Of the two breeding centers in the world, Chiton is one of the two elephant breeding centers that exist in the world lies in Chiton National Park. It was established in 2044 BS with 6 males and 14 female elephants. Among 20 elephants, that is 6 males and 40 females, 16 was brought from India, 2 from Thailand, and 2 elephants were received as a gift from Myanmar. And there is where is Sarah's breeding center located, and it is located in Kapilvastu. It is listed as vulnerable species in IUCN category. And there is where is Wildlife Museum located. Wildlife Museum is located in Institute of Forestry Hitoda. Due to lack of proper management, it is in harsh condition. There is no good management of this museum. Where is Gene Bank located? Gene Bank is located at Kumaltar, Lalitpur. And there is where is Bat Conservation Center located, and Bat Conservation Center is located in Devangaria, Kapilvastu. And where is Jatayu restaurant located? What is meant by Jatayu? In Sanskrit, Jatayu means vulture. Jatayu restaurant is located in Picholi, Kausati. Vulture is also known as divine bird. Though vulture has not had a good impression on our society, it has a crucial role in ecosystem. Here, another question is where is Hattisar Museum located? Hattisar Museum is located in Bhimphedi, Makawanpur. The museum and the elephant stables are currently under the management of Chitwan National Park. And here, another question is where is Biodiversity Information Center located? Biodiversity Information Center is located in Tikoli, Chitwan. Attached to Tikoli Forest on the East-West Highway is a research and information center and another place for tourist attraction. The information center In information center, parts of animals that are endangered or are on the verge of extinction are preserved. Horn of the rear, own horned rhino, tusks of elephant, and the skin of tiger are also on display in this information center. Thank you.